Okay.
Oh.
It's a short, not a video, nigga. It's a new lawnmower.
It's basically already assembled. You just gotta.
Yeah, so it's already put together. That's what I was gonna ask you. So is it already put together? About a good what? 60%, 7%, what?
90%.
90%. Okay. So you just gotta do.
You just gotta put the hammers on, basically.
Yeah. A few things here and there.
Yeah.
Just a few things here and there, everywhere.
Oh, they changed. This one black.
It's different, huh? The other one was red, yeah. How much you pay for that?
Man, this shit that went up. I remember I paid
$139 then.
Yeah, you know this shit. 247.
247?
Yeah. This the cheapest one you can get.
Damn, this shit. So you
the one with the bag was $358.
So during the pandemic it was $139.
Yeah.
But now it's $249. Or all $247. Damn, it went up $100 some. I told you we're in the Great Depression. You know you got like a certain amount of time before. Yeah, you got like a certain amount of time. It's something wrong. Look how tall it is. I think I already got this finished. There, cut the grass. Cut the grass. Got it looking good, ain't it?